Hey folks, in this video, are you ready to start receiving 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, even $6,000 instant payments? And folks, this is a done for you system. All the sales are closed for you. You never have to speak to anyone. Well, folks, put a seatbelt on. I got a good one for you today. We're going to introduce you to a new launch that I'm super excited about. We're going to take you on the inside. Home Cash Flow Solutions. Folks, this is incredible. When you join Home Cash Flow Solutions, you're going to get access to this website that looks just like this. Everybody uses the same website. People want to join, they'll put their name, the email address in, and their phone number and the ID number of the ad that they saw, and they can start winning. Folks, this is incredible, and I could not be more excited. If you're ready to start receiving these kinds of payments, now is the time. Well, what is Home Cash Flow Solutions? Let me go on the inside. The Home Cash Flow Solutions. This is what it is. All right. Home Cash Flow Solutions. Once you opt in, it'll take you to this website and it'll show you how to get started. But the main thing is a postcard program that all you do is mail a postcard. And I'll show you this proven postcard that we have. Here is the postcard. Folks, this thing is absolutely incredible. This is the postcard that we mail. If you can see it in the palm of my hand here, I'm going to talk to you about this postcard. If you can mail this postcard, you can start receiving 500, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, even $6,000 payments. And it does work. The way it's a done for you system. There is no selling. There is no explaining. There's no telling. All you do is mail a postcard. Period. End of discussion. A postcard and or a flyer, and then you can start receiving $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month. Of course, as an income disclaimer in all these videos, in life nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. Home Cash Flow Solutions. Sorry about that, guys. All you do is mail this simple, proven postcard. If you can put a stamp on a postcard and envelope, you can make money in this program. And all you do is mail this postcards. It says, we close all the sales for you. Simply mail out this awesome postcard or let us do it for you. Folks, I just had 5,000 in a box. I'm going to do a proof video, delivered to my house. 5,000 of these postcards, and we're going to send them out. And folks, we're going to let the good times roll. Why struggle, folks, when you can have more than enough money flowing into your hands? We're building big ticket on the front side, and we're building residual on the back side. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Big ticket, residual payments up front in your face. Go pay your bills right now while you're building massive residual income on the back side. Folks, this postcard, look, it has proof on it. Mike, and we have another proof, a good member here, another member here, showing proof of commission check. Might have $3,000 commission, 2 platinum sales. Now, this is another $1,000 commission, $2,000 commission. Call this, pause the video, call this hotline number, go to this website. Go to this website. When you go to the website, you're going to put in your name and your information. And let me see. When you put your name and your information in, and it's going to take you to this website. And this website is going to tell you how to do it. It's going to do all the selling, telling, explaining for you. Here's the owner, the man, the myth, the legend, the Bruce Ledgerwood. Bruce is a great guy, folks. I've worked with Bruce for several years, and in his programs absolutely work. They convert like crazy. I could not be more excited to be in Home Cash Flow Solutions. Let's go back to that postcard. Let me find that postcard. And look at this. People will get your postcard. Here's my ID number. When you join, if you want to join Home Cash Flow Solutions, you're going to enter my ID number, TT 1699. That's my ID number. You're going to be assigned an ID number. When you join, you're going to mention that ID number. Everybody's going to give Bruce the ID number, and then he's going to tell you how to get signed up. You're going to pay the admin fee to him, and then people are going to pay you directly. Bruce never touches your money. If you make a sale, the money goes directly to you, whether you want it Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, cash, cashier's check, it goes straight to you. Bruce has 30 years of experience in work at home, and you're in a good place and in good hands. I would challenge you folks to take time out, go to www.joinhomecashflowsolutions.com. Go there and put in your information. Put in your name, your information, the ID number, and come back over here and listen to what Bruce has to say. And then when you get started, folks, you're going to call, you're going to email, or you're going to text the ID number of the person that you want to join, and give them my information. And this is how you get started. It's just that simple. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. This is a simple program. You have any questions, you can contact Bruce. You can contact me. We have several levels of participation. Several levels. And the video will explain everything. Let me see if I can show you briefly a little bit about where our levels of participation lie. Let me see.
When a sale is made. Efforts and complete.
Let's fast forward a little bit.
Working with grandfathered in.
We have different packages.
Okay. Fast Start, Internship, Gold, Platinum. Okay. Each one comes with what we call a product package, meaning
Bruce is talking about the product packages in this program. Again, folks, all you do is mail a postcard. We have a proven postcard. I'm going to do many videos on this. This is just an introduction. If I'm not covering everything, no worries. I'm going to do more videos on it. If you have any questions, you can contact me directly. Contact Bruce. And look at the product packages. Again, we've got those levels of participation. Absolutely incredible. Let me see. Again, let's go back over here. I need to close some of these tabs. Let me close some tabs quickly. Okay. I'm closing some tabs. Okay. You can join for as low as $100 level, the $200 level, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, even $6,000. Those are the levels of participation. Now, there is a small admin fee. There is an admin fee for each level. Of course, the higher you go up, you'll pay different levels of the admin fee. I want to maybe just play a little bit about what Bruce has to say about the levels of participation. And I'm going to do a whole separate video on the levels of participation and the admin fee. But folks, can you mail a postcard? There's no selling, no telling, no explaining. It is a done-for-you system. People will get your postcard. They will go to the website. They will put your ID number. They will contact Bruce. Bruce will tell them how you want to get paid. And the cycle repeats over and over again. Folks, we found a business in a box. Can you mail a postcard? I got 5,000 land in my foyer right now. Came off the UPS truck. I'll show you the boxes on another video.
When someone purchases whatever membership, this is what they're going to get. Okay? Let's take a look at it. Okay, Fast Start product package. Remember Fast Start?
Fast Start.
$149, pays a $100 commission. Here's what comes in that product package. Of course, number 1, we're going to assign you an ID number to use in all your marketing. Number 2, you're going to get a personalized copy of your sales letter. It's going to have your ID number on it. Same thing with a postcard we can do. Complete instructions on how to get set up and running, strategies, maximize your marketing efforts, and complete marketing sources. Different places where we run ads, you can run ads. That's going to be in your Fast Start package. Number 4, complete library of ebooks on every topic you can think of, hundreds to choose from. Incredible value. There's something in there for everybody. You'll have access to that. And number 5, of course, closing all your sales, which excludes phone, text, and email follow-up to your leads. Again, we close all your sales for you.
Look at the value that you're getting. You're going to get the ID number to use in all your marketing, personalized copy of your flyer, complete instructions on how to get up and running ASAP, complete marketing resources, a complete library of ebooks on hundreds of subjects for everyone, closing of all your sales, which includes phone, text, email follow-up to all your leads. The system will follow up on your behalf. Folks, this is incredible times ahead. I would get started, if you can, in Home Cash Flow today.
And number 6, I send out a monthly newsletter via email. Tips, strategies, what's going on, whatever's important at the time, you're going to receive that. So that's what comes in your Fast Start product package. Internship package, that's the next one, costs $249, pays a $200 commission. You get everything you saw in the first package, but number 7, we added another item here, 30-minute one-on-one phone strategy with me. We're going to have a phone strategy session. When you first start, what are your goals? How much would you like to make? Okay, and we'll lay out a game plan for you to make sure you get out to a quick start. Okay, That gets added at the internship level. Bronze package, $595, $500 commission, everything you saw before. Plus, number 8, we add a $25 gift certificate to the company of your choice. There are 4 companies I'm working with. You're going to see those here in a moment, but you get a $25 gift certificate. You pick one of those 4 companies. Cool products, by the way. Wait till we get to that part of the presentation. Gold package, see, we're going up in value. Gold package, $13.95, pays what? $1,000 commission. You get everything you saw in the other packages, but down at number 8 there, highlighted in yellow, the $25 gift certificate gets bumped to $50. And number 9 added another bonus, lifetime membership for all future programs that I create. And I'll get that more in detail in a sec, but that basically means 6 months from now, if I create a new program, you know, on the top level to get in, it's $5 grand or whatever, you're in that. If you want to participate, you're in that program for free. So that's what grandfathered means. You're grandfathered in, lifetime membership for all future programs that I create. This is a 48-hour bonus, okay? And we'll talk about bonuses, 48-hour bonuses, how they work in just a sec, okay? Platinum package, we do a ton of these. Everything you saw before. $27.95 pays a $2,000 commission. Go down to number 8. Gift certificate gets bumped to $100.
Folks, the platinum package is $27.95, pays out a $2,000 commission. Incredible. This is the sweet spot.
Bucks. Number 9, lifetime membership, of course, is still intact. 48-hour bonus. Number 10, we add a 1,000-piece postcard mailing that we do for you when you come in at the platinum. Okay, your membership in the platinum package, that's included in your package. So now this is a 48-hour bonus. 48-hour bonus, and when I say 48-hour bonus, it doesn't mean we need your money in 48 hours. It just means raise your hand, reach out to us, reach out to me, call me, text me, email me, let me know which package you want us to hold for you, and we'll work out the money and stuff. So, but 1,000-piece postcard mailing or equivalent value in marketing. So if you don't want to do the postcard mailing, we can do something else. We'll take that money and we'll spend it that's best for you as far as marketing. So, and VIP product package sells for $4,995, pays a $4,000 commission. Everything you saw before, okay? But go down to number 8, highlighted in yellow there. $200 gift certificate to the company of your choice, up from $100. Bonus lifetime membership for all future programs that are created. And number 10, that 1,000-piece postcard mailing jumps to 2,000-piece postcard mailing or equivalent value in marketing. So again, as we go up in product packages and value and cost, we're adding more and more value. Okay. All right, CEO. Again, the CEO membership.
Folks, there is a $6,000 package, and I'm telling you what, there is. Let me pause Bruce for a second. Let me tell you, as Bruce has explained this, Bruce put this CEO package together because he knows, and people have requested it, there is an audience out there that can and will join this level of participation. Make no mistake about it. Let me be abundantly crystal clear. There is an audience that can and will join this level.
Release. Here's what's going to come in the product package. Everything else is the same that you saw before. Number 8, gift certificate jumps to $400. Lifetime membership is still intact. Bonus, number 10, postcard mailing jumps to $3,000.
Folks, incredible. Bruce has got a 37-minute overview of how this thing works. Step 1, step 2, and it walks you right through the process. Bruce is an incredible individual. Could not be more excited to be in this home cash flow solution with him. And that's why I immediately jumped aboard. I had to get involved with it. I am too excited to let this opportunity go by. Done for you closings, folks. It is fail-proof. If you get in, remain consistent with the program, the sky can be the limit. That's my time for today. Information gets started below. Again, you can use the ID number. You'll come to the website. Looks like this: your name, your email address, your phone number, the ad that you saw, and let's get back over there. TT1699, folks. Home cash flow solution is the way to go. I'm going to bring you more videos on this program. Bye for now until the next home cash flow video solutions. Guys, what is 25 and 26 going to look like in your life? What is it going to look like? Creating the income, go where you want to go, do what you want to do, stay as long as you want to stay, living life on your own terms. That's how we do it. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.